Hello! You probably want to make a spider and a web out of paper. Here's what you'll need: scissors, a black pen or marker, a regular pencil, an optional white marker, and some colored rectangular paper. To start with the web, place the paper with its long side facing you. Fold the short side up to meet the top edge and crease the fold with your fingers. Cut off the excess rectangle along the top layer's edge. You'll now have a triangle. Position the triangle with its long side facing you. Fold the left corner over to meet the right corner and press the fold. Then, turn the triangle so the long side is facing away from you. Fold it in half again and press the fold tightly. Now, fold the left edge over to the right once more and press the paper firmly where it's folded. Draw a web pattern on the folded triangle. Cut along the lines carefully. When you unfold the paper, you'll see a beautiful paper web. To make the spider, take the rectangle you cut off earlier. If you prefer, use a different colored piece of paper. Black works especially well. Fold the short edge over to meet the opposite short edge and crease it. Rotate the paper clockwise. Then fold the left side over to the right and press the fold. Draw a spider shape on the folded paper. Cut along the drawn lines. Then unfold the spider. You can create many colorful webs and spiders. Stick them to walls or windows using tape. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more Halloween paper decorations.